times without number, have talked about Nigeria and reminded Nigerians that the day you become great, that is the day Africa becomes great.
Nigeria is on the path to reclaiming its greatness again, and one of its first steps is the restoration of the National Theatre in Lagos. Once a proud symbol of our rich culture and heritage, had fallen into neglect like much of our nation's infrastructure. But today, it stands restored, a beacon of hope and a reminder that Nigeria's greatness isn't just a story of the past, it's being revived before our very eyes.
Guys,
the new Nigeria is here. I mean, to think that some great men and women once walked in this hallway that I'm currently walking right now is just remarkable. The rehabilitation of this structure goes beyond just restoring a building. It actually signifies the revival of the Nigerian spirit and the birth of a new Nigeria. I'm going to be showing you the amazing renovation that has happened here. Now guys, before I continue with this video, I want you guys to please hit the subscribe button. Help me get to 10,000 subscribers, okay? Please, before December, I want to get to 10,000 subscribers. And all you have to do is just hit the subscribe button, because this is one of the ways you can support me. And all I'm asking guys is just to click. That's all guys. Please click. Help me support my dream of getting to 10,000 subscribers before December. All right guys, let's get right into the video.
Built in 1976, the National Theatre was created with a grand purpose: to host the second World Black and African Festival of Arts and Culture, Festac 77. This monumental event brought together 15,000 participants from over 70 countries. Throughout the festival, the National Theatre in Lagos was the heart of many significant cultural moments. However, over time, the theatre faced operational and maintenance challenges that led to its gradual decline. By the mid-90s, it had become a shadow of its former self, a stark reminder of what once was. But the story didn't end there. With a shared vision, the Bankers Committee came together, breathing new life into the historic structure, restoring it to its former glory. So guys, this is the grand vision of the National Theatre. When the construction of the National Theatre is complete, this is what it will look like. This is the train station, the National Theatre's train station. Okay, this is National Theatre. This part is already existing, where you have the churches, the Covenant Nation, and all of what you are seeing here are what is proposed to be built around the National Theatre. Guys, this could be the mini Dubai of Nigeria. Wow. Alright guys, so we are inside the National Theatre, guys. Can you see this, guys? Wow. So we want to get into the first cinema that was created, that has been renovated. Let's see how it looks like. Wow. Wow. Guys, so this is the first cinema hall that has been renovated. Let me just show you guys around quickly. The first cinema hall renovated. It's a 500 seater capacity cinema, and guys, I must tell you, this is really beautiful. I mean, standing in the halls in this place that once held one of the grandest events in Nigeria, right, just makes me feel so happy that it's being brought back to life. It's just so amazing, so amazing. Wow. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. What are your thoughts about the cinema hall? Let me show you. This is what this side looks like, and this is what it looks like over here. So this is a VIP section, and this is what the VIP section looks like. So you can actually stay here and watch the event from this place, and this is what it looks like down here. Wow guys, just wow. So guys, do not forget, I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers, and I need your help. Please hit the subscribe button below. Help me get to 10,000 subscribers, please guys. This is one of the ways you can support me, you know, aside giving me, donating to help me move, travel. You can support me by subscribing, okay? All right guys, so this is the second cinema hall. Is a 250 seater cinema, okay? At the moment, the screens have not been installed, okay? Now, you guys need to understand that in the past, National Theatre used to have 2 cinema halls, 500 seater each. Right, the first one I just came from is the 500 seater capacity cinema. Well, this one used to be 500 seater. However,
They just demarcated it. You see these walls over here? This is the demarcation wall that they placed in between the cinema so that they can have two halves. Okay, here is 250, the other side is 250. Okay, now the reason why they did it this way is because they wanted, because you know cinemas of this new generation are not that big. They don't have 500 seater capacity cinemas anymore. However, so that is why they decided to do that. They wanted cinemas with smaller capacity. Okay, hence the reason why this is 250 seater cinema. What are your thoughts about the newly renovated National Theatre?
My brother, as you can see, fantastic, fantastic. In fact, I didn't even know that they had like cinemas in the National Theatre. This is my first time ever coming to the cinema, to the theatre as a whole. You understand? Only to discover that they have two cinemas, you know.
Right now, it's actually three.
Three?
Yes, three is the second one. There's a third one.
Oh, wow. So you see, and you know, it's newly renovated. Everything looks sparkly. Everything looks nice. You know, this is actually a welcome development.
Thank you so much. Thank you. In my opinion, I think this is how a wedding hall should look like, whereby from any angle you sit, right, you can get a perfect view of what is happening on stage. You know, so this is a banquet hall that sits close to 1,500 people, can be used for weddings, for any kind of events, you know, end of the year parties for organizations and whatnot. So it's just so beautiful. And of course, you know, you have this very big stage here where people from any, look at this now, just being in this, on this side of the banquet, you can still see what is happening here. Being on the other side, you can still see what is happening. So guys, I'm officially the first person performing inside the banquet hall of National Theatre. And for my first performance, this is what I'm going to give. I want to give the speech I'm going to give when I get to 100,000 subscribers. Come this way, come this way. My subscribers come. Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Menapoli, and I want to say thank you for following me all this way, bringing me up till I get to 100,000 subscribers. I am very, very grateful for the support financially. Thank you for subscribing. Guys, this is the speech I want to give you guys when I get to 100k subscribers. So please subscribe, okay? Subscribe, hit the subscribe button right now. All right, guys, so we are currently on the 4th floor. Right, this is the 4th floor right here, and you can see the circulation lobby. Now, this is the 5th floor to the main. This is the circulation lobby to the main bowl, right? I mean, just look at this. You wouldn't know that National Theatre has so many floors until you get here, and this is it. It's just so huge. This place is so huge, right? Look at it. Guys, wow. Wow. But everything here, you know, meet the international standard. For example, you have this machine right here that can produce up to 1,000 pieces of ice per minute. So if you need ice to, you know, for your drinks, you have this machine right here. You have microwaves, you have ovens to prepare, you know, chickens and whatnot. So this kitchen is just amazing. You have your gas cooker, you have the cylinders, you have the gas pipes. All right, guys, so that's it for me on this one. I want you guys to share your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know what you think about, you know, this beautiful project, this rehabilitation happening right now, right? Let me know your thoughts. Until next time, peace.